Hello. Welcome to Emmy.
You're here to get a quick idea of what getting a colonoscopy is all about. Now, I'm probably not the first one to tell you this, but getting a colonoscopy is one of the best things you can do to prevent colon cancer, because when it's found early, most of the time it can be cured. Here, let's take a look at your digestive system to understand what's what. Okay, I'm going to run through what happens to food as it moves through your body. As you know, after you swallow food, it ends up in your stomach where it gets broken down. From here, the now mushy food moves into your small intestine where it's absorbed. Then it moves through this even wider tube. This is your colon, which is also called your large intestine. In the colon, what's left of the food turns into waste. Then the waste leaves your body through the rectum. Okay, so now that you've got that down, what happens during a colonoscopy? Well, as you know, the goal is to look for early signs of colon cancer or other problems. To do this, your doctor uses a scope to see inside your colon. The scope is a long, hollow, lighted tube. It has a tiny camera that sends a picture to a TV screen. Your doctor moves the scope all the way through the colon to make sure everything looks normal. Okay, but I'm sure you're wondering, what does this whole thing feel like? Well, most people say it's not so bad. Usually people are given medication that makes them drowsy, so they're comfortable during the procedure. Many don't even remember their colonoscopy at all. A lot of people say the prep you drink beforehand to clean out your colon is actually the hardest part. And even that isn't so bad if you refrigerate it first or get a flavor like lemon lime. It might not be the most delicious thing you've ever tasted, but it's totally doable. Okay, now back to the colonoscopy. If your doctor sees anything unusual, he may take out a small sample of tissue and send it to the lab. You won't feel him take the sample, by the way. You can't feel pain in there. And that's pretty much it. After this, your doctor removes the scope and the procedure is over. Okay, if anything was sent to the lab, you'll hear about that in a few days. But otherwise, you're good to go. Your doctor will let you know when you need to come in for your next colonoscopy. And you can rest easy, knowing you did something important for your health.
I hope you found this information useful. Thanks for watching. I wish you the best of health.